That looks so sick. Every 350Z needs this. This looks so good. KBD, baby. What is going on, guys? Today we have a very special package from KBD. You guys might have heard of their company. Their company's like blowing up. They make the coolest products. And luckily, they make product for the Nissan 350Z. And today we are going to be putting on the KBD front bumper.
Wait, can we like reenact this?
What? I mean, we don't really have the UPS guy anymore, so
okay, so
that'd be kind of hard.
Can you be the UPS guy? Like, just go put on a hat, and then I'll be this person.
And then I give you the bumper.
Yeah.
And then you take it out, put it out in the sun. You just watch it heat up in the sun.
For 15 minutes, because it says 15 right here.
There's no way it's 15 minutes. It's 60 degrees outside.
Alright, but it says 15 minutes, so...
Don't mind her, guys. Today we're going to be installing this new KBD bumper. I'm super excited for it. I've seen their products online. Their products are like almost indestructible, which is awesome for low cars like this. Their fitment is always ace, and they guarantee you that if you break your bumper or any parts, they'll replace it for free. That is just a big seller right there. So Amanda got a really cool bumper for her 350. You guys can already see that the bumper's gone. We actually gave the bumper to one of you bros. Well, we kind of traded for this Megan Racing exhaust. Shout out to Dom. The whole bumper is like folded into this box, which is kind of insane because you never see bumpers like folded up. It's made of polyurethane, so once we leave it out in the sun for a little while, it should go back to its normal form and we should be able to throw it on the 350Z with no problem whatsoever. The only problem we have is that it's 60 degrees outside. Now it's beautiful here in New Jersey. I'm wearing shorts, I rolled up my sleeves, but it's only 60 degrees here. We might have to wait a half hour to 40 minutes for this thing to actually go back to its original form, but we'll see. Oh, so it says or other heat source. So I guess it doesn't need the sun. We can also use the heat gun if need be.
Whoa. This looks broken.
Oh my god, it looks so mangled. Oh my god. Look at how mashed up it is. Like, actually just take a look at it.
It looks like they just mashed it in there, like they didn't even care.
I mean,
oh, wait,
they don't really have to care. Bolts, and then I guess this is for like a bumper support because I know the bottom of it is kind of like, since it is polyurethane, it could sag. So I think they gave some bumper support so it doesn't sag. I can't even show you guys what this bumper looks like. So we're gonna go ahead, let it sit out in the sun, let it get back to its normal shape. And then we're gonna throw this on the car. So before we go ahead and mount it on the car, what we're gonna do is take a little drill bit, drill out the holes. Now luckily they already kind of indented where exactly the holes need to be. So we're gonna drill out these holes so that the bumper can mount to the car. Also, I went ahead, already put on the support bracket. It came with its own bolts. This thing makes complete sense. The bumper can kind of sit on here just so it doesn't sag down the middle. It's looking so hot right now. Like, what do you think?
Fucking mint.
It's looking so good. I want to show you guys so bad. I want to show you guys out in the sunlight outside, but before we do that, we're gonna go ahead, throw on this exhaust because like I said, the 350 is running without an exhaust. I don't like it. This is a temporary exhaust, so we're gonna throw that on real quick, go outside, and then show you guys what the front bumper looks like. It looks so, KBD, you guys did a good job. This thing looks so sick. Once again, thank you, Dom, for the exhaust. I want to see it so bad. I want to see it so bad. Oh my god, dude. Oh, that looks so sick. That looks so sick. Every 350Z needs this. This looks so good. I'm so in love, dude. Opinions. What do you think? Do you like the front bumper?
It looks really good. And I'm actually really excited. I mean, I don't know if the front is supposed to like go up like that, but
I know, like the little how it goes, like the little, it's kind of hard to explain, but that thing, no, it's supposed to be like that. It's kind of like a front lip type of thing.
I think it looks hot boy. I think like,
super hot boy.
I just want the car to be one color again.
The car is still 50 different colors, but what you guys might notice is that this hood no longer has the DE lines. I actually went ahead, shaved those off.
I think it looks really good
without the DE lines, right? So much better, dude. No more DE lines. I primered the entire hood just so like it's one color, because before, yeah, minus that little crack, but it's all one color, because before it was like this ugly, like you can kind of see the Bondo and the body filler and it looked ugly, so I just primered it just so at least the hood was one color. Huge shout out to KBD for hooking it up with the bumper. KBD makes a ton of body parts for all different cars. They're really popular in the drifting community. You can bash them, they won't break. If you bend them, you heat them up or leave them out in the sun and they go back to their original form. And best of all, if they break, they send you out another one for free, which is so awesome. I just wanted to come to this spot because I love bringing the cars here when they're kind of like in the process of being done / when they're done. I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video or not. There is a car meet tonight which I really want to go to, but I don't know if I'll go to, so if I do end up going to the car meet, then I'll continue this video on there. If I don't go to the car meet, then this is the end of the video. So peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching.